remove the wheel, use a 21mm socket. Take the lug nuts off. Take the wheel off. We're going to remove the sway bar link. Use a 19mm wrench on the back side of here to keep the stud from spinning, and then a 17mm socket. Take this nut off. You can slide that out of the way. Now I'll take the lower one off, the same as the top, 19mm wrench and a 17mm socket. And just slide it out. Now take the link, we'll slide this in position right here. Put the nut on and slide the bar in position. Line the stud up. Put this nut on. I can use a 24mm wrench and 18mm socket, snug this up. The same on this one. And then torque this nut to 62 foot-pounds. Same with this one. And put the wheel back on. And the lug nuts. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 98 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And I prefer to double check, so just go around one more time. Take off your wheel lock key.